Uh-oh. We got that call from the FFL. The moment we've been waiting on. Finally got one. The new FN Scar Gen 2. I guess no more gold boxes. We got blue boxes now. Oh, we get a bag, guys. Hell yeah. We get a bag. Let's see what this bag contains. Thank you, FN. Finally gave us a bag. Ooh. Ooh. Pretty dope. Pretty dope, FN. Thank y'all. Yeah, I'm assuming that's a 20, 17, and a 16. Pretty dope. Woohoo, and there it is. Damn. We're gonna do a more in-depth video. We're gonna do a more in-depth video. This was just a grand opening. Yes, sir. I'm so happy we finally get a bag. Thank you, FN. You listen to us. Just a bunch of M-Lock. Yay, we finally got M-Lock from the factory. Love it, love it, love it. Hopefully the 16 hits my FFL soon. Alright guys, there you have it. My unboxing. FN Scar Gen 2. It's so dope. I like this. This is so dope.